In a world where conversations around gender and sexuality are constantly evolving, it becomes essential to unravel the intricate nuances that distinguish between them. Understanding gender identity goes beyond conventional norms of biological sex or sexual orientation. It delves into the deep-rooted sense of self that defines who we are. While sexuality pertains to whom we're attracted to, gender identity is about how we identify ourselves, be it male, female, both, neither, or anywhere along the diverse spectrum. As we embark on this journey of comprehension, it becomes evident that respecting and acknowledging these differences not only cultivates inclusivity, but also expands our capacity for empathy and understanding. The complexities within each individual's unique expression of gender must be celebrated rather than confined by societal constraints. Embracing this diversity can pave the way for meaningful interactions and genuine connections with those whose identities may differ from our own. Join us as we navigate through the realms of gender identity versus sexuality, an exploration brimming with insights and revelations that challenge preconceived notions and ignite a profound appreciation for the beautiful tapestry of human existence. Let us embark on this enlightening venture together, weaving threads of understanding and compassion in our collective pursuit of inclusivity and respect for all individuals' identities. Understanding and using the correct pronouns is a fundamental aspect of respecting transgender individuals. It goes beyond mere words. It reflects a deep acknowledgement of someone's identity. While slipping up on pronouns might seem minor to some, it can carry significant emotional weight for those who have fought hard for their true selves to be seen and heard. By actively practicing the use of correct pronouns, we not only show respect but also validate an individual's gender identity in a world where they may face discrimination and erasure. Additionally, recognizing the importance of singular, they as a gender-neutral pronoun expands our language inclusivity beyond the binary constructs that limit many people's identities. Embracing this linguistic evolution not only benefits transgender individuals, but also creates space for non-binary and genderqueer folks who often struggle with being recognized within traditional language frameworks. Language has always been dynamic, reflecting societal shifts and progress. By adopting inclusive pronoun usage, we contribute to a more respectful and affirming society for all genders present in our diverse community. When interacting with a transgender person, one important way to show respect is by calling them by their chosen name. Names hold significant personal meaning and can shape a person's identity, so using a trans individual's chosen name acknowledges and affirms their gender identity. It shows that you value their self-identification and are willing to recognize and respect who they truly are. Respecting a transgender person's chosen name also demonstrates understanding and empathy for the challenges they may face in asserting their gender identity. It helps create an inclusive environment where individuals feel accepted and validated for their authentic selves. By making the effort to use the correct name, you are showing support for the transgender community and contributing to a culture of acceptance and inclusivity. Understanding and respecting privacy boundaries is essential when interacting with transgender individuals. While it's crucial to offer support and allyship, it's equally important to recognize that not everyone may be comfortable disclosing personal details about their gender identity or transition journey. Respecting privacy means refraining from prying questions or making assumptions about someone's experience. By creating a safe space where individuals can share information at their own pace, we cultivate trust and foster genuine connections based on mutual respect. Furthermore, acknowledging that disclosure is a deeply personal decision empowers individuals to assert control over their narratives. It's vital to remember that each person's relationship with their gender identity is unique, and what one individual feels comfortable sharing may differ from another. By honoring these differences and actively listening without pressure or judgment, we demonstrate our commitment to understanding and valuing the autonomy of transgender individuals in shaping their own stories. Respecting privacy isn't just about words left unsaid. It's about affirming the right of every individual to define the boundaries of their self-disclosure within a framework of empathy and respect. When it comes to supporting the transgender community, one of the key distinctions to grasp is the difference between being an advocate and engaging in appropriation. Being an ally means actively advocating for the rights and well-being of transgender individuals without centering oneself in their narrative. It involves listening with empathy, amplifying marginalized voices, and taking meaningful action to challenge discrimination and promote inclusivity. On the other hand, appropriation occurs when well-meaning individuals unintentionally or intentionally co-opt aspects of transgender identity for personal gain or performative purposes. This can manifest through superficial gestures that prioritize optics over genuine support, such as using trans issues as a trendy topic rather than committing to sustained allyship efforts. To truly be an effective ally, it's crucial to examine our motives and ensure that our actions stem from a place of genuine solidarity rather than seeking validation or accolades. In our efforts to promote inclusivity and support for transgender individuals, one vital aspect that deserves attention is the provision of accessible spaces. Ensuring that physical environments, such as public facilities, workplaces, and social venues, are welcoming and accommodating to all gender identities is not just a matter of convenience, it is a fundamental step towards showing respect and affirming the validity of transgender experiences. Accessible spaces signal acceptance and understanding. They communicate that everyone has the right to feel safe, comfortable, and valued in their surroundings. Designing inclusive spaces encompasses more than just installing gender-neutral bathrooms or offering sensitivity training to staff members. It involves a holistic approach that considers every aspect of accessibility, from architectural design and signage to policies on harassment and discrimination. By proactively evaluating how structures, rules, and practices within an environment may impact transgender individuals' sense of belonging or safety, we can actively work towards breaking down barriers and building bridges towards greater acceptance. Let us remember that creating accessible spaces is not merely about compliance with regulations, but upholding dignity, fostering connection, and embracing diversity at its core. Asking personal questions can sometimes feel like a harmless way to get to know someone, but when it comes to transgender individuals, these inquiries can be invasive and disrespectful. Inquiring about a person's transition process or their body can make them feel uncomfortable and exposed without consent. It's crucial to remember that everyone has the right to privacy and autonomy over their own identity. Instead of focusing on physical aspects or personal journey details, try engaging in meaningful conversations that show respect for the individual as a whole person beyond their gender identity. Ask about their interests, goals, and experiences unrelated to being transgender. By shifting the focus away from intrusive questions, you not only show respect but also foster more authentic connections based on mutual understanding and shared experiences. Remember, thoughtful consideration and empathy go a long way in creating a safe and inclusive environment for all individuals. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.